Question: in which article of Indian Constitution doctrine of due process of law is included? A. 11, B. 16, C. 21, D. 26. Correct answer is C. 21. Question: which article gives safeguard to the fundamental rights of arrested person? A. Article 15, B. Article 17, C. Article 21, D. Article 22. Correct answer is D. Article 22. Question: under the Preventive Detention Act, a person can be arrested without trial for A. 1 month, B. 3 months, C. 6 months, D. 9 months. Correct answer is B. 3 months. Question: which one of the following writs is regarded as the greatest safeguard for the liberty of a person? A. Mandamus, B. Habeas corpus, C. Certiorari, D. Prohibition. Correct answer is B. Habeas corpus. Question: bonded labour was abolished in India by an Act of Parliament enacted in the year A. 1971, B. 1976, C. 1979, D. 1981. Correct answer is B. 1976. Question: the child labour was prohibited in hazardous employment by A. Indian Constitution, B. the judgment of Supreme Court on December 10, 1996, C. United Nations Charter, D. all of the above. Correct answer is D. all of the above. Question: without duties are like men without shadows. A. Belief, B. Rights, C. Moral, D. Work. Correct answer is B. Rights. Question: the concept of welfare state is included in the Constitution of India in A. Directive Principles of State Policy, B. 4th Schedule of the Constitution, C. Fundamental Rights, D. Preamble of the Constitution. Correct answer is A. Directive Principles of State Policy. Question: the idea of India as welfare state is found in A. Preamble of the Constitution, B. Fundamental Duties, C. Directive Principles of State Policy, D. both A and C. Correct answer is D. both A and C. Question: the purpose of the inclusion of directive principles of state policy in the Indian Constitution is to establish A. Political democracy, B. Social democracy, C. Gandhian democracy, D. Social and economic democracy. Correct answer is D. Social and economic democracy. Question: which one of the following is not the objective of the directive principles of state policy? A. To establish a welfare state, B. To ensure socio-economic justice, C. To establish a religious state, D. To establish a secular state. Correct answer is C. To establish a religious state. Question: The Indian Constitution borrowed the directive principles of the state policy from A. Constitution of which of the following countries? A. United Kingdom, UK, Britain. B. United States of America, USA. C. Ireland. D. Japan. Correct answer is C. Ireland. Question: Directive principles of state policy are A. Justiciable, B. Non-justiciable, C. Fundamental rights, D. None of the above. Correct answer is B. Non-justiciable. Question: According to the Constitution of India, which of the following are fundamental to the governance of the country? A. Fundamental rights, B. Fundamental duties, C. Directive principles of state policy, D. Fundamental rights and fundamental duties. Correct answer is C. Directive principles of state policy. Question: Equal pay for equal work has been ensured in the Indian Constitution as one of the A. Fundamental rights, B. Directive principles of state policy, C. Fundamental duties, D. Economic rights. Correct answer is B. Directive principles of state policy. Question: Which of the following is not a fundamental right? A. Right against exploitation, B. Equal pay for equal work, C. Equality before law, D. Right to freedom of religion. Correct answer is B. Equal pay for equal work. Question: Which one of the following is included in the directive principles of state policy? A. Protection in respect of conviction for offences, B. Protection of life and personal liberty, C. Protection of interest of minorities, D. Equal pay for equal work for both men and women. Correct answer is D. Equal pay for equal work for both men and women. Question: Panchayati Raj system in India is laid down under A. Fundamental rights, B. Fundamental duties, C. Directive principles of state policy, D. Election Commission Act. Correct answer is C. Directive principles of state policy. Question: Which one of the following articles directs state government to organize village panchayats? A. Article 32, B. Article 40, C. Article 48, D. Article 51. Correct answer is B. Article 40. Question: Under the Constitution of India, organization of village panchayat is A. Fundamental right, B. Fundamental duty, C. Directive principle, D. None of the above. Correct answer is C. Directive principle. Question: Which one of the following articles of the Directive Principles of State Policy deals with the promotion of international peace and security? A. 51, B. 48A, C. 43A, D. 41. Correct answer is A. 51. Question in the Constitution of India. Promotion of international peace and security is included in the A. Preamble to the Constitution. B. Directive Principles of State Policy. C. Fundamental Duties. D. Ninth Schedule. Correct answer is B. Directive Principles of State Policy. Question: which article of the Indian Constitution is related to Indian foreign policy? A. Article 380. B. Article 312. C. Article 45. D. Article 51. Correct answer is D. Article 51. Question: which article of the Constitution of India has the provision of participation of workers in management of industry? A. Article 43. B. Article 43A. C. Article 45. D. Article 47. Correct answer is B. Article 43A. Question: which principle among the following was added to the Directive Principles of State Policy by the 42nd Amendment to the Constitution? A. Equal pay for equal work for both men and women. B. Participation of workers in the management of industries. C. Right to work, education and public assistance. D. Securing living wage and human condition of work to workers. Correct answer is B. Participation of workers in the management of industries. Question: which of the following was not added to the Directive Principles by the 42nd Amendment of the Constitution? A. Protection of children and youth from exploitation. B. Equal justice and free legal aid. C. Uniform Civil Code. D. Participation of workers in the management of industries. Correct answer is C. Uniform Civil Code. Question: which one of the following is not a directive principle of state policy? A. Prohibition of the consumption of intoxicating drinks. B. Cow protection. C. Environment protection. D. Free education to children up to the age of 14. Correct answer is D. Free education to children up to the age of 14. Question: which one of the following is not a directive principle of state policy? A. Prohibition of the consumption of intoxicating drinks. B. Prohibiting the slaughter of cows and calves. C. Protection and improvement of the environment. D. Free education for children up to the age of 16 years. Correct answer is D. Free education for children up to the age of 16 years. Question: how are the directive principles of state policy different from fundamental rights? A. Former is for union government and later is for state government. B. Former is a part of constitution whereas later is not. C. Directive principles are not enforceable whereas fundamental right can be enforced. D. None of the above. Correct answer is C. Directive principles are not enforceable whereas fundamental right can be enforced. Question: the directive principles are A. Justifiable. B. Non-justifiable. C. Rigid. D. Flexible. Correct answer is B. Non-justifiable. Question: which one of the following is a directive principle of state policy? A. The state shall endeavor to protect and improve the environment. B. The state shall not deny equality to any person before the law. C. The state shall not discriminate against any person on the grounds of religion, race, caste, sex or place or birth. D. Untouchability enforcement. Correct answer is A. The state shall endeavor to protect and improve the environment. Question: the Constitution is silent in the directive principles of state policy about A. Adult education. B. Living wages for workers. C. Free legal aid to the poor. D. Primary education to children till they complete the age of 16 years. Correct answer is A. Adult education. Question: which of the following directive principles of state policy was added to the Constitution at a later date? A. Organization of village panchayats. B. Prohibition of cow slaughter. C. Free legal aid. D. Uniform Civil Code. Correct answer is C. Free legal aid. Question: which of the following is not included in the directive principles of state policy? A. Prohibition of liquor. B. Right to work. C. Equal wage for equal work. D. Right to information. Correct answer is D. Right to information. Question: which one of the following is a directive principle of the state policy? A. Uniform Civil Code. B. Freedom of the press. C. Freedom of the religion. D. Equality before law. Correct answer is A. Uniform Civil Code. Question: which one of the following is not a directive principle of state policy? A. Equal pay for equal work for men and women. B. Equal right to an adequate means of livelihood. C. Abolition of untouchability. D. Just and humane conditions of work. Correct answer is C. Abolition of untouchability. Question: the directive principles of state policy is a check which is paid on bank's convenience. Who said it? A. B. R. Ambedkar. B. K. M. Munshi. C. Dr. Rajendra Prasad. D. K. T. Shah. Correct answer is D. K. T. Shah. Question: the provisions relating to fundamental duties in the Constitution of India were added on the recommendation of A. Balwant Rai Mehta Committee. B. Iyengar Committee. C. Swaran Singh Committee. D. Thakkar Commission. Correct answer is C. Swaran Singh Committee. Question: when were the fundamental duties incorporated in the Constitution? A. 1976. B. 1979. C. 1975. D. 1978. Correct answer is A. 1976. Question: the fundamental duty to uphold and protect the sovereignty, unity and integrity of India is mentioned at number A. 4, B. 1, C. 2, D. 3. Correct answer is D. 3. Question: under which articles of Indian Constitution provision for fundamental duties has been made by the 42nd Constitutional Amendment Act? A. Article 50. B. Article 51A. C. Article 52. D. Article 53. Correct answer is B. Article 51A. Question: the fundamental duties are mentioned in which of the following part of the Constitution of India? A. Part 3. B. Part 4. C. Part E. D. Part 6. Correct answer is C. Part E. Question: by which constitutional amendment 10 fundamental duties were added in the Constitution for Indian citizens? A. 24th. B. 38th. C. 44th. D. 42nd. Correct answer is D. 42nd. Question: which Amendment Act included the fundamental duties of citizens in the Indian Constitution? A. 42nd Amendment Act. B. 56th Amendment Act. C. 73rd Amendment Act. D. 98th Amendment Act. Correct answer is A. 42nd Amendment Act. Question: the 10 commandments, which were added by 42nd Amendment Act in Constitution of India, are called as A. Fundamental rights. B. Fundamental duties. C. Panchayati Raj principles. D. Directive principles of state policy. Correct answer is B. Fundamental duties. Question: the 42nd Amendment Act, 1976, has incorporated into the Constitution of India a new chapter on A. Administration of Union Territories. B. Formation of interstate councils. C. Fundamental duties. D. None of the above. Correct answer is C. Fundamental duties. Question: in which year fundamental duties of citizens were introduced by 42nd Amendment? A. 1976. B. 1975. C. 1978. D. 1980. Correct answer is A. 1976. Question: which of the following statements regarding fundamental duties is not true? A. They can be enforced by writs. B. They can be promoted only by constitutional methods. C. They can be used for interpreting ambiguous statutes. D. The performance of any particular duty comes within the sphere of constitutional law which court has to decide. Correct answer is A. They can be enforced by writs. Question: which one of the following is a fundamental duty in India? A. Separation of judiciary from executive. B. To value and preserve the rich heritage of our composite culture. C. Free and compulsory education. D. Abolition of untouchability. Correct answer is B. To value and preserve the rich heritage of our composite culture. Question: the fundamental duties of a citizen do not include duty A. To protect and improve the natural environment. B. To cherish and follow the noble ideals which inspired our national struggle for freedom. C. To strive towards abolition of untouchability. D. To develop scientific temper, humanism and the spirit of inquiry and reform. Correct answer is C. To strive towards abolition of untouchability. Question: which one of the following is not a part of fundamental duties under Indian Constitution? A. To defend the country and render national service. B. To value and preserve the rich heritage of our composite culture. C. To help in organizing village panchayats. D. To safeguard public property and to abjure violence. Correct answer is C. To help in organizing village panchayats. Question: protection of which one of the following is a fundamental duty of an Indian citizen? A. Village panchayat. B. National flag. C. Scheduled castes, scheduled tribes. D. Wildlife. Correct answer is D. Wildlife. Question: it shall be the duty of every citizen of India to protect and improve the natural environment. The above statement refers to which of the following articles of the Constitution of India? A. Article 21. B. Article 48A. C. Article 51A. D. Article 56. Correct answer is C. Article 51A. Question: which one of the following is incorrect? A. Fundamental duties are the part of the fundamental rights. B. Fundamental duties are not a part of fundamental rights. C. Fundamental duties are enumerated in Part E(1) of the Indian Constitution. D. Article 51A explains the duties of every citizen of India. Correct answer is A. Fundamental duties are the part of the fundamental rights. Question: which one of the following is not a fundamental duty? A. To respect the national anthem. B. To safeguard public property. C. To protect monuments and places of public importance. D. To protect and improve the natural environment. Correct answer is C. To protect monuments and places of public importance. Question: how many fundamental duties are there in the Indian Constitution? A. 9. B. 11. C. 12. D. 20. Correct answer is B. 11. Question: which one of the following is not provided in Part 4A? Fundamental duties of the Indian Constitution? A. To respect the national flag. B. To promote spirit of brotherhood amongst all people of India. C. To respect our parents and teachers. D. To preserve the rich heritage of our composite culture. Correct answer is C. To respect our parents and teachers. Question: under the Constitution of India, which one of the following is not a fundamental duty? A. To vote in public elections. B. To develop scientific temper. C. To safeguard public property. D. To abide by the Constitution and respect its ideals. Correct answer is A. To vote in public elections. Question: to uphold and protect the sovereignty Unity and integrity of India, is a provision made in the A. Preamble of the Constitution, B. Directive Principles of State Policy, C. Fundamental Rights, D. Fundamental Duties. Correct answer is D. Fundamental Duties. Question: which one of the following is not correctly matched? Parts of the subject Constitution. A. Part 2, Citizenship. B. Part 3, Fundamental Rights. C. Part 4, Directive Principles of State Policy. D. Part 5, Fundamental Duties. Correct answer is D. Part 5, Fundamental Duties. Question: how is the President elected in India? A. Directly. B. By Rajya Sabha members. C. By Lok Sabha members. D. By indirect election. Correct answer is D. By indirect election. Question: in India, the President is elected by A. Direct election. B. Single transferable vote system. C. Proportional vote system. D. Open ballot system. Correct answer is B. Single transferable vote system. Question: who among the following are not included in the Electoral College for the election of the President of India? A. Elected members of the House of the People. B. Elected members of the Council of States. C. Elected member of the Legislative Assemblies of the States. D. Elected members of the Legislative Councils of the States. Correct answer is D. Elected members of the Legislative Councils of the States. Question: the President of India is elected by A. Only the members of Rajya Sabha. B. Only the members of Lok Sabha. C. Only by the members of state legislative assemblies and Lok Sabha. D. The elected members of Rajya Sabha, Lok Sabha and state legislative assemblies. Correct answer is D. The elected members of Rajya Sabha, Lok Sabha and state legislative assemblies. Question: which one of the following is not correct regarding presidential election? A. Election of the successor must be held before the expiry of the term of the incumbent president. B. The President shall hold office for a term of 5 years from the date on which he enters upon his office. C. On the expiration of his term, he continues to hold office until his successor enters upon his office. D. President's election may be postponed on the ground that the Electoral College is incomplete. Correct answer is D. President's election may be postponed on the ground that the Electoral College is incomplete. Question: minimum number of electors needed to be proposer of the presidential candidate is A. 50 electors. B. 20 electors. C. 5 electors. D. 15 electors. Correct answer is A. 50 electors. Question: the Chief Minister of a state in India is not eligible to vote in the presidential election if A. He is a candidate. B. He is yet to prove his majority on the floor of the lower house of the state legislature. C. He is a member of the upper house of the state legislature. D. He is a member of the lower house of the state legislature. Correct answer is C. He is a member of the upper house of the state legislature. Question: which of the following is not an essential qualification for the candidature of president? A. Completion of 35 years. B. Educated. C. Qualified for election as a member of the House of the People. D. Citizen of India. Correct answer is B. Educated. Question: a member of parliament or a state legislature can be elected as president, but A. He will have to resign from his seat before contesting the election. B. He will have to relinquish his seat within 6 months of his election. C. He will have to relinquish his seat as soon as he is elected. D. An MP can contest but an MLA. Correct answer is C. He will have to relinquish his seat as soon as he is elected. Question: which article of the Indian Constitution prescribes eligibility conditions for re-election to the post of the President of India? A. Article 52. B. Article 54. C. Article 55. D. Article 57. Correct answer is D. Article 57. Question: if there is any dispute regarding the presidential election, it can be referred to A. Attorney General of India. B. Parliament. C. Supreme Court of India. D. None of the above. Correct answer is C. Supreme Court of India. Question: which of the following president was appeared before Supreme Court when Supreme Court was hearing election dispute of the president? A. Dr. Zakir Hussain. B. V. Giri. C. Fakharuddin Ali Ahmad. D. Neelam Sanjeeva Reddy. Correct answer is B. V. Giri. Question: the President holds office for a term of 5 years from date on A. which she is elected. B. which is decided by Parliament. C. which he enters upon his office, hold his office. D. which is decided by Election Commission. Correct answer is C. which he enters upon his office, hold his office. Question: to whom does the President of India address his resignation? A. Speaker of the Lok Sabha. B. Vice President of India. C. Chief Justice of India. D. Prime Minister of India. Correct answer is B. Vice President of India. Question: the President of India can be removed from his post by A. the Prime Minister of India. B. Lok Sabha. C. Chief Justice of India. D. Parliament. Correct answer is D. Parliament. Question: under which one of the following articles the procedure for removal of the President of India through the process of impeachment has been laid down? A. Article 53. B. Article 61. C. Article 74. D. Article 13. Correct answer is B. Article 61. Question: the President of India can be removed from office even before the expiry of the term. A. By the political party in power. B. By the Prime Minister. C. Through impeachment. D. through trial by court. Correct answer is C. Through impeachment. Question: by which House of Parliament impeachment may be imposed on President? A. House of People. B. Council of States. C. By any House of Parliament. D. None of the above. Correct answer is C. By any House of Parliament. Question: which one of the following has the power to initiate the motion of impeachment of a President of India? A. Both the Houses of the Parliament. B. Lok Sabha. C. Rajya Sabha. D. Speaker of the Lok Sabha. Correct answer is A. Both the Houses of the Parliament. Question: the President can be impeached on the grounds of violating the Constitution by A. the Chief Justice of India. B. the Vice President of India. C. the Speaker of the Lok Sabha. D. the two Houses of Parliament. Correct answer is D. the two Houses of Parliament. Question: at least how many days of prior notice is required for the impeachment of the President of India? A. 7 days. B. 14 days. C. 21 days. D. 30 days. Correct answer is B. 14 days. Question: which one of the following is a part of the Electoral College but not of the process of impeachment? A. Lok Sabha. B. Rajya Sabha. C. State Legislative Councils. D. State Legislative Assemblies. Correct answer is D. State Legislative Assemblies. Question: the procedure of impeachment of the President of India is A. Quasi-judicial procedure. B. Executive procedure. C. Judicial procedure. D. Legislative procedure. Correct answer is A. Quasi-judicial procedure. Question: the vacant post of the President is to be filled within A. 90 days. B. 6 months. C. 9 months. D. 1 year. Correct answer is B. 6 months. Question: in the case of a vacancy arising from any cause other than the expiry of the term of a President in office, an election to fill the vacancy must be held A. within 6 months from the date of occurrence of the vacancy. B. after 1 year from the date of vacancy. C. after 9 months from the date of vacancy. D. after 7 months from the date of vacancy. Correct answer is A. within 6 months from the date of occurrence of the vacancy. Question: for how long can the Vice President act as President when the President cannot perform his duties for reasons of death, resignation, removal or otherwise? A. 5 years. B. 2 years. C. 1 year. D. 6 months. Correct answer is D. 6 months. Question: in case the post of President of India falls vacant due to his death, resignation or removal from office, who will occupy that post? A. Prime Minister. B. Chief Justice of the Supreme Court. C. Vice President. D. None of the above. Correct answer is C. Vice President. Question: in case the post of President of India falls vacant and there is not Vice President also, who among the following would be the acting President? A. Vice Chairman of Rajya Sabha. B. Attorney General of India. C. Lok Sabha Speaker. D. Chief Justice of the Supreme Court. Correct answer is D. Chief Justice of the Supreme Court. Question: if the position of President and Vice President are vacant, who officiates as the President of India? A. The Prime Minister. B. The Chief Justice of India. C. The Speaker of Lok Sabha. D. None of the above. Correct answer is B. The Chief Justice of India. Question: if in India the office of President and Vice President falls vacant at one point of time, the office of the President will temporarily be held by A. The Prime Minister. B. The Chief Justice of Supreme Court. C. The Chief of Armed Forces. D. None of the above. Correct answer is B. The Chief Justice of Supreme Court. Question: who is the executive head of state in India? A. President. B. Prime Minister. C. Leader of the Opposition. D. Chief Secretary, Government of India. Correct answer is A. President. Question: which one of the following articles of the Constitution vests the executive power of a union in the President? A. Article 51. B. Article 52. C. Article 53. D. Article 54. Correct answer is C. Article 53. Question: who of the following has been vested with the executive powers of the central government under the Constitution of India? A. President of India. B. Prime Minister of India. C. Central Cabinet. D. All of the above. Correct answer is A. President of India. Question: President of India exercises his powers A. either directly or through officers subordinate to him. B. through ministers. C. through Prime Minister. D. through Cabinet. Correct answer is A. either directly or through officers subordinate to him. Question: who amongst the following is the head of Indian Republic? A. President of India. B. Prime Minister of India. C. Cabinet. D. Political head along with the Council of Ministers. Correct answer is A. President of India. Question: which one of the following amendments to the Indian Constitution empowers the President to send back any matter for reconsideration by the Council of Ministers? A. 39th. B. 40th. C. 42nd. D. 44th. Correct answer is D. 44th. Question: the President can dissolve Lok Sabha on A. recommendation of Chief Justice of India. B. Lok Sabha's recommendation. C. recommendation of the Union Cabinet. D. Rajya Sabha's recommendation. Correct answer is C. recommendation of the Union Cabinet. Question: the President of India can dissolve the Lok Sabha on the recommendation of A. Rajya Sabha, B. Election Commission, C. Chief Justice of India, D. Cabinet. Correct answer is D. Cabinet. Question: the joint sitting of Lok Sabha and Rajya Sabha under Article 108 is summoned by A. Chairman of Rajya Sabha, B. Speaker of Lok Sabha, C. Prime Minister, D. President. Correct answer is D. President. Question: which one of the following statements about the President of India is not correct? A. He is a constituent part of Parliament. B. He participates in the discussion in the both houses. C. He addresses the joint meeting of both the houses every year. D. He can promulgate ordinances in certain situations. Correct answer is B. He participates in the discussion in the both houses. Question: the only instance when the President of India exercised his power of veto is related to A. the Hindu Code Bill, B. the PEPSU Appropriation Bill, C. the Indian Post Office Amendment Bill, D. the Dowry Prohibition Bill. Correct answer is C. the Indian Post Office Amendment Bill. Question: who among the following presidents exercised a power which is pocket veto in constitutional terminology? A. Dr. Rajendra Prasad, B. V. Giri, C. Gyani Zail Singh, D. Dr. APJ Abdul Kalam. Correct answer is C. Gyani Zail Singh. Question: under which article of the Indian Constitution the President of India enjoys the power to withhold his assent to any bill passed by both the houses of the Parliament? A. Article 63, B. Article 108, C. Article 109, D. Article 111. Correct answer is D. Article 111. Question: who amongst the following has the power to withhold assent to a bill after it has been passed by the two houses of Parliament? A. the President, B. the Prime Minister, C. the Speaker of the Lok Sabha, D. the Chairman of the Rajya Sabha. Correct answer is A. the President. Question: on which matter it is not essential to take advice from the Council of Ministers for the President? A. Appointment of ambassadors, B. to assent to bills, C. to assent to bills referred by governors, D. to dissolve Lok Sabha. Correct answer is B. to assent to bills. Question: under which article of the Indian Constitution did the President give his assent to the Ordinance on Electoral Reforms when it was sent back to him by the Union Cabinet without making any changes? In the year 2002. A. Article 121, B. Article 142, C. Article 123, D. Article 124. Correct answer is C. Article 123. Question: under which of the following articles of the Constitution The President of India has been empowered to promulgate an ordinance? A. Article 360. B. Article 123. C. Article 200. D. Article 356. Correct answer is B. Article 123. Question: An ordinance promulgated by the President must be placed before the Parliament within what time frame after the start of its session? A. 1 month. B. 6 weeks. C. 8 weeks. D. 6 months. Correct answer is B. 6 weeks. Question: Who among the following is appointed by the President? A. Attorney General of India. B. Controller and Auditor General. C. Governor of State. D. All of the above. Correct answer is D. All of the above. Question: Which one of the following is not appointed by the President of India? A. Vice President. B. Prime Minister. C. Governor. D. Chief Election Commissioner. Correct answer is A. Vice President. Question: The Constitution authorizes the President to make provisions for discharge of duties of governors in extraordinary circumstances under A. Article 160. B. Article 162. C. Article 165. D. Article 310. Correct answer is A. Article 160. Question: Indian Constitution doesn't empower the President of India with the right of A. Appointment of Prime Minister. B. Appointment of Chief Minister in states. C. Being the Supreme Commander of Defence Forces. D. Executing emergency in any part of the country. Correct answer is B. Appointment of Chief Minister in states. Question: Which article of the Indian Constitution empowers the President to consult the Supreme Court? A. Article 129. B. Article 132. C. Article 143. D. Article 32. Correct answer is C. Article 143. Question: Which of the following is incorrect about the powers of the President of India? A. The President should accept the advice of Supreme Court. B. Emergency powers. C. Power of extension of President's rule in states. D. President can accept or reject the advice of the Supreme Court. Correct answer is A. The President should accept the advice of Supreme Court. Question: According to the Constitution, which among the following is literally not a power of the President of India? A. Promulgation of ordinances. B. To consult the Supreme Court. C. To send messages to Houses of Parliament. D. To grant pardon. Correct answer is C. To send messages to Houses of Parliament. Question: The President of India does not have the right to A. Give pardon. B. Remove a judge of Supreme Court. C. Declare emergency. D. Pass ordinances. Correct answer is B. Remove a judge of Supreme Court. Question: power of the President to grant pardons etc. is a legislative power, b. judicial power, c. executive power, d. none of the above. Correct answer is b. judicial power. Question: which of the following article of Indian Constitution mentions the doctrine of pleasure? A. Article 200, b. Article 301, c. Article 310, d. Article 311. Correct answer is c. Article 310. Question: which one of the following is not constitutional prerogative of the President of India? A. Returning an ordinary bill for reconsideration. B. Returning a financial bill for reconsideration. C. Dissolving the Lok Sabha. D. Appointing the Prime Minister. Correct answer is B. Returning a financial bill for reconsideration. Question: who prepares the President's address to Parliament? A. President himself. B. Speaker of Lok Sabha. C. Chairman of Rajya Sabha. D. Central Cabinet. Correct answer is D. Central Cabinet. Question: the first President of independent India hailed from A. Uttar Pradesh, B. Andhra Pradesh, C. Bihar, D. Tamil Nadu. Correct answer is C. Bihar. Question: the fourth President of India was A. Sir V. V. Giri, B. Dr. S. Radhakrishnan, C. Dr. Zakir Hussain, D. Dr. Fakhruddin Ali Ahmad. Correct answer is A. Sir V. V. Giri. Question: which President of India completed 2 successive terms? A. Dr. S. Radhakrishnan, B. Dr. Rajendra Prasad, C. Dr. Zakir Hussain, D. Both A and B. Correct answer is B. Dr. Rajendra Prasad. Question: the single instance of the unanimous election of the President of India so far was the election of A. Dr. Rajendra Prasad, B. Dr. Radhakrishnan, C. Dr. Zakir Hussain, D. Neelam Sanjeeva Reddy. Correct answer is D. Neelam Sanjeeva Reddy. Question: who of the following before becoming the President of India did not hold the office of Vice President? A. Dr. S. Radhakrishnan, B. Dr. Zakir Hussain, C. Neelam Sanjeeva Reddy, D. R. Venkatraman. Correct answer is C. Neelam Sanjeeva Reddy. Question: among the following presidents of India, who is known as the philosopher king or the philosopher ruler? A. Dr. Radhakrishnan, B. Dr. Rajendra Prasad, C. Dr. Zakir Hussain, D. Dr. Abdul Kalam. Correct answer is A. Dr. Radhakrishnan. Question: who of the following President of India was associated with trade union movement? A. V. V. Giri, B. N. Sanjeeva Reddy, C. K. R. Narayanan, D. Zakir Hussain. Correct answer is A. V. Giri. Question: which President of India was called the Missile Man? A. Dr. Radhakrishnan. B. Dr. APJ Abdul Kalam. C. Dr. Shankar Dayal Sharma. D. None of the above. Correct answer is B. Dr. APJ Abdul Kalam. Question: who of the following Chief Justices of India acted as the President of India also? A. Justice M.C. Mahajan. B. Justice M. Hidayatullah. C. Justice P.N. Bhagwati. D. Justice B.K. Mukherjee. Correct answer is B. Justice M. Hidayatullah. Question: choose the odd one. A. Rajendra Prasad. B. Radhakrishnan. C. Zakir Hussain. D. Jawaharlal Nehru. Correct answer is D. Jawaharlal Nehru. Question: which of the following statements is not true? A. To hold the office of president, candidate should have the minimum age of 35 years. B. Vice President is chairman of Rajya Sabha. C. Vice President is appointed by the President of India. D. First President of India was Dr. Rajendra Prasad. Correct answer is C. Vice President is appointed by the President of India. Question: what was the sequence number of Ms. Pratibha Patil as the President of the Republic of India? A. 10th. B. 11th. C. 12th. D. 13th. Correct answer is C. 12th. Question: a bill presented in Parliament becomes an act after A. It is passed by both the houses. B. The President has given his assent. C. The Prime Minister has signed it. D. The Supreme Court has declared it to be within the competence of the Union Parliament. Correct answer is B. The President has given his assent. Question: who has the constitutional power to declare a geographical area as a scheduled area? A. Governor. B. Chief Minister. C. Prime Minister. D. President. Correct answer is D. President. Question: he represents the nation but does not lead the nation. This dictum applies to whom of the following? A. Speaker of the Lok Sabha. B. President. C. Prime Minister. D. Chief Justice of India. Correct answer is B. President. Question: which one of the following President of India has been the Governor of Bihar? A. Dr. Rajendra Prasad. B. Dr. S.D. Sharma. C. Dr. Zakir Hussain. D. V. Giri. Correct answer is C. Dr. Zakir Hussain. Question: Rashtrapati Bhavan was designed by A. Edward Stone. B. Le Corbusier. C. Edwin Lutyens. D. Tarun Dutt. Correct answer is C. Edwin Lutyens. Question: how is Vice President of India elected? A. By direct national election. B. Nomination by President. C. By direct election by the MPs of Lok Sabha and MLAs of Vidhan Sabha. D. By election by the MPs of Lok Sabha and Rajya Sabha. Correct answer is D. By election by the MPs of Lok Sabha and Rajya Sabha. Question: the Vice President may be removed from his office by a resolution of A. Council of States, B. Lok Sabha, C. Cabinet, D. Council of Ministers. Correct answer is A. Council of States. Question: the Vice President of India is elected by the members of an electoral college comprising A. Only elected members of both the Houses of Parliament, B. All the members of both the Houses of Parliament, C. Only elected members of Rajya Sabha and state assemblies, D. Only elected members of state assemblies. Correct answer is B. All the members of both the Houses of Parliament. Question: the Vice President of India is elected by A. The people, B. The Electoral College which elects the President, C. The members of both the Houses of Parliament, D. The state legislatures. Correct answer is C. The members of both the Houses of Parliament. Question: the proposal relating to dismissal of the Vice President can be presented in A. Any House of the Parliament, B. Rajya Sabha, C. The Lok Sabha, D. None of the above. Correct answer is B. Rajya Sabha. Question: a resolution for the removal of the Vice President of India can be proposed in A. Only Lok Sabha, B. Any House of Parliament, C. Joint Session of Parliament, D. Only Rajya Sabha. Correct answer is D. Only Rajya Sabha. Question: who is the chairman of Rajya Sabha? A. The President, B. The Vice President, C. The Prime Minister, D. The Speaker of Lok Sabha. Correct answer is B. The Vice President. Question: which one of the following is presided over by one who is not its member? A. Lok Sabha, B. Vidhan Sabha, C. Rajya Sabha, D. Council of Ministers. Correct answer is C. Rajya Sabha. Question: among the four pairs given below, which one consists of a correct combination of dignitaries who became Vice President after having held diplomatic posts of Ambassador and High Commissioners? A. Dr. S. Radhakrishnan and G. S. Pathak, B. Dr. S. Radhakrishnan and V. V. Giri, C. Dr. Zakir Hussain and K. R. Narayanan, D. B. D. Jatti and K. R. Narayanan. Correct answer is B. Dr. S. Radhakrishnan and V. V. Giri. Question: the serial number of Mr. Muhammad Ansari as Vice President of India is A. 10th, B. 11th, C. 12th, D. 13th. Correct answer is C. 12th. Question: which of the following is not true? A. The President or Governor is immune from legal action for officials' acts. B. No court can compel a governor to perform any duty. C. A 2 months notice in writing must be delivered to a governor for bringing civil proceedings in respect of their personal acts. D. Courts are empowered to inquire the advice tendered by the ministers to the president or governor. Correct answer is D. Courts are empowered to inquire the advice tendered by the ministers to the president or governor. Question: The Prime Minister of India is the head of A. State government, B. Central government, C. Both state and central governments, D. None of the above. Correct answer is B. Central government. Question: Which of the following statements is correct about Prime Minister of India? A. Prime Minister is the nominal head of the Council of Ministers. B. He is not responsible to the Parliament. C. He cannot dismiss any of his ministers. D. Prime Minister is the real head of the Council of Ministers. Correct answer is D. Prime Minister is the real head of the Council of Ministers. Question: Prime Minister of India is A. Elected, B. Selected, C. Nominated, D. Appointed. Correct answer is D. Appointed. Question: Article 78 of the Constitution of India lays down the duties of A. Speaker of Lok Sabha, B. Chairman of Rajya Sabha, C. Controller and Auditor General of India, D. Prime Minister. Correct answer is D. Prime Minister. Question: Cabinet includes A. Ministers with cabinet rank, B. Minister of state level, C. Cabinet Minister and State Minister, D. Cabinet Minister, Minister of State with independent charge and Minister of State. Correct answer is A. Ministers with cabinet rank. Question: Who exercises the actual, executive power under the parliamentary form of government? A. Parliament, B. Prime Minister, C. President, D. Bureaucracy. Correct answer is B. Prime Minister. Question: If the Prime Minister of India belongs to the upper house of Parliament, A. He will not be able to vote in his favour in the event of a no-confidence motion. B. He will not be able to speak on the budget in the lower house. C. He can make statements only in the upper house. D. He will have to become a member of the lower house within 6 months after being sworn in as the Prime Minister. Correct answer is A. He will not be able to vote in his favour in the event of a no-confidence motion. Question: Which article of the Indian Constitution describes the appointment and disqualification of the Council of Ministers? A. Article 70, B. Article 72, C. Article 74, D. Article 75. Correct answer is D. Article 75. Question: Prime Minister of India is generally A. Not a member of Parliament, B. Member of Lok Sabha, C. Member of Rajya Sabha, D. Member of both the houses. Correct answer is B. Member of Lok Sabha. Question: Who is the President of the Council of Scientific and Industrial Research? A. President of India. B. Vice President of India. C. Prime Minister of India. D. Union Minister of Science and Technology. Correct answer is C. Prime Minister of India. Question: Who is the head of the National Defence Committee? A. Home Minister. B. Prime Minister. C. President. D. Vice President. Correct answer is B. Prime Minister. Question: The Prime Minister of India, at the time of his/her appointment, A. need not necessarily be a member of one of the houses of the Parliament but must become a member of one of the houses within 6 months. B. need not necessarily be a member of one of the houses of the Parliament but must become a member of the Lok Sabha within 6 months. C. must be a member of one of the houses of the Parliament. D. must be a member of the Lok Sabha. Correct answer is A. need not necessarily be a member of one of the houses of the Parliament but must become a member of one of the houses within 6 months. Question: What is the minimum age requirement to become the Prime Minister of India? A. 21 years. B. 25 years. C. 30 years. D. 35 years. Correct answer is B. 25 years. Question: The office of the Deputy Prime Minister, A. was created under the original constitution. B. is an extra constitutional growth. C. was created by 44th Amendment. D. was created by the 85th Amendment. Correct answer is B. is an extra constitutional growth. Question: Prime Minister Manmohan Singh is A. member of Lok Sabha from Punjab. B. member of Rajya Sabha from Punjab. C. member of Rajya Sabha from Rajasthan. D. member of Rajya Sabha from Assam. Correct answer is D. member of Rajya Sabha from Assam. Question: The Prime Minister is A. elected by the Lok Sabha. B. elected by the Parliament. C. appointed by the President. D. nominated by the party in majority of Lok Sabha. Correct answer is C. appointed by the President. Question: Which one of the following statements is correct about the Prime Minister of India? A. He is free to choose his minister only from among those who are members of either house of the Parliament. B. He can choose his cabinet colleagues after due counselling by the President of India in this regard. C. He has full discretion in the choice of persons who are to serve as ministers in his cabinet. D. He has only limited power in the choice of his cabinet colleague because of the discretionary powers vested in the President of India. Correct answer is C. He has full discretion in the choice of persons who are to serve as ministers in his cabinet. Question: In India, a minister who is not a member of either House of Parliament will cease to be a minister after A. 6 months. B. 1 year. C. 2 years. D. 3 years. Correct answer is A. 6 months. Question: which of the following statements is not true regarding the Parliament of India? A. The Constitution provides for a parliamentary form of government. B. The function of the Parliament is to provide for a cabinet. C. The membership of the cabinet is restricted to the lower house. D. The cabinet enjoys the confidence of the majority in the popular chamber of the house. Correct answer is C. The membership of the cabinet is restricted to the lower house. Question: to whom is the Council of Ministers responsible? A. Parliament. B. President. C. Speaker of Lok Sabha. D. Speaker of Lok Sabha and Chairman of Rajya Sabha. Correct answer is A. Parliament. Question: the Council of Ministers is collectively responsible to which of the following? A. Prime Minister. B. President. C. Rajya Sabha. D. Lok Sabha. Correct answer is D. Lok Sabha. Question: which one of the following is not a correct situation arising after the resignation of the Council of Ministers? A. President's rule will be imposed. B. The President will ask to continue till alternative arrangement. C. The alternative arrangement means earliest possible general election to be held to form a new government. D. Outgoing Council of Ministers may have had charge till the formation of the new government. Correct answer is A. President's rule will be imposed. Question: Union Council of Ministers is collectively responsible to A. Prime Minister. B. President. C. Parliament. D. Only to Lok Sabha. Correct answer is D. Only to Lok Sabha. Question: which one of the following is not explicitly stated in the Constitution of India but followed as a convention? A. The Finance Minister is to be a member of the lower house. B. The Prime Minister has to resign if he loses the majority in the lower house. C. All the parts of India are to be represented in the councils of ministers. D. In the event of both the President and the Vice President demitting office simultaneously before the end of the tenure, the Speaker of the lower house of the Parliament will officiate as the President. Correct answer is B. The Prime Minister has to resign if he loses the majority in the lower house.